All right, okay. Listen up. Red, yellow, blue, white, green, orange. Red, yellow, blue, white, green, orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Shift, shifter. Start on player wins. Let's shift around. Stick shift, memory shift. Who shifts it? Secret shift, gear shift. Shift around. Get your brain in gear and let's play Brain Shift. And now, how many shifters do we have? Choose your game. You shift what I call. Remember the pattern, then shift it. One player only. Find the secret shift pattern. You have 60 seconds to shift it or you crash. You completed shifts in seconds. Look and listen. Remember the location of the 6 sounds. Shift all 6 and win. Repeat all shifts and add one more. The survivor wins. Your turn. You win with shifts. Round. Now this